Hello smart people of the internet, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, The Crypto Diary, where we discuss everything crypto, and today I will be talking about something which will interest not only the traders and investors, but also the gamers across the globe. So which one are you? Investor or gamer? Whoever you are, this episode is going to be significantly useful and profitable for you. Because today I will talk about Sandbox tokens, and according to my analogy, it would be very profitable for you if you buy at least 500 tokens of it and hold them. But how? Well, embrace yourself because we are going to jump directly into a detailed discussion. Right off the bat, let me introduce you to the Sandbox cryptocurrency. Because whenever you are up for investing in some token in the crypto market, it is your job to know all the details available about those tokens. The Sandbox is a virtual world driven by a large global community that enables users to design, create, monetize, and sell the assets. It is sufficient to say that Sandbox is decentralized also. This Ethereum-based metaverse is one of the most recognized virtual worlds based on the blockchain system. The primary goal of the Sandbox is to bring a change in the dynamics of the global market of online and video gaming ecosystems. Also, the platform was designed to reward users for user-generated content. The Sandbox got founded by a developer named Pixowl to alter the work procedure of the gaming market. Previously in the gaming ecosystem, the platforms used to own content produced by the users, and they could even control them. Due to that reason, there were limited rights conserved for the users and gamers. But the Sandbox appeared in the market and changed the picture pretty much. The Sandbox developers paved the way for a brand new gaming ecosystem for players where they can own the rights of their products and get rewarded for the substantial value accordingly. In the modern gaming market, users have all the rights and control over their in-game content and creations. The Sandbox is made up of 3 products. The first one is VoxEdit, that enables users to design and create various in-game items. Users can even animate 2D or 3D objects like creatures or weapons. These objects and all the in-game items created by the gamers are known as assets. These were mainly based on ERC 1155 token standard, which enables both fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens for minting with smart contracts. The Sandbox Marketplace is a reliable platform where users can create and sell their in-game items or assets. But at first, they need to upload their contents to the interplanetary file system. The game maker facilities in the Sandbox platform also enables users to design and create various 3D games just for free. Now, you might be thinking that all these things need an in-depth knowledge of coding in some popular programming language, but that's not necessarily true. The Sandbox is designed so user-friendly that knowledge of coding is quite insignificant here. Even a layman with no idea of coding can participate here. It already has several powerful blocks of tools that make it possible for you to design new ideas and articulate various in-game assets into a fast-growing global ecosystem of online games. Through Sandbox, you can make a big basket of profit also. As I just mentioned a while ago, you need to create your in-game items and assets as much as you want using the features of VoxEdit. Later on, these assets need to be uploaded to the marketplace of the Sandbox. There, you can sell the NFTs concerning your questions. For example, many in-game items like weapons, motorbikes, costumes, and avatars or creatures sell for a wide range of prices. It can be thousands of sand tokens and just a single sand token as well. You can give your in-game assets like rent or house in a rent to the other gamers and earn money that way. You also have the option to populate your place with in-game assets, which will, in turn, increase the value of your in-game property as well. Sandbox platform even allows you to make other small games that you build and monetize in the digital universe. The more investors will invest here, the more support the creators will get in the game. There are 6 studios for the gaming development, several developers and creators, and several new vacancies for jobs are getting created for the sake of the Sandbox huge play-to-earn business. The vision is very simple. It wishes to transform the gamers into creators, and every single gamer on the economic platform is helping Sandbox expand and develop more opportunities. In 2021, Sandbox had plans to launch their Digital Autonomous Organization, or DAO, in the market with the feature of staking sand. The developers are also trying to make it more user-friendly and versatile with some more advanced features like multiplayer mode with regular land sales enabled, compatibility in a wide range of devices or creators' fund management vote system, etc. Due to all these promises and potentials, the market went higher for the Sandbox. The Sand token was trading at merely $0.06 US, but it made up to 60 cents per token by January 2021. A remarkable growth indeed, what do you say? Trading experts across the world expect the token to reach $10 US by the first week of 2022. There was a staking event going on up to the end of July in the Sandbox market. I think you should know that there is a new option to earn via the Sandbox platform right now. You must have noticed that there are land tokens available in this ecosystem, which refers to the ideas you can own in the game. As I stated earlier, you should invest in in-game lands now, because let me tell you a little secret. Sandbox will never consist of 166,000 pieces of land in it. Naturally, with the number of gamers growing rapidly, the demand of the land will rise as the supply is not increasing. Then you can rent these lands to the developers who wish to build up their personalized 3D games. You can stake land whenever possible, but the price of land also might fluctuate at any time. So there are some risk factors associated too. But still, considering the risk to reward ratio, it is a great place that is likely to get you satisfactory profit. Thousands of users got attracted to this global gaming ecosystem. The game has gained much of its popularity during the lockdown and pandemic. A lot of users spent the entire lockdowns working and playing in the Sandbox gaming community and marketplace. It is the feature of ownership and liberty to your products and content that made the Sandbox are engaging and valuable. And don't worry, I will also tell you how to buy Sandbox and where to buy it. Sand tokens are available on a couple of trading platforms like Gemini or Crypto.com or Finance. You have to sign up here to create your account on any of these exchange platforms. I would always recommend you to go for some renowned and trusted finance exchange. There is zero chance of getting your account hacked in this type of exchange, so the risk factors are eliminated. That's why I insist on you guys to buy and hold at least 500 sand tokens, which are pretty minimum and safe investments for anyone. Not only that, but a couple of months later, this small investment is capable enough to get you a handsome profit. So I am not giving you any financial advice, but it is fact that if you get full control of your tokens, then why not make the purchase? So this is high time to test your luck. But let me make one thing crystal clear. Just because you follow me or like me, and just depending on my analogy, don't make your move in the market. No matter how lesser the risk is, it is never zero. So do your own research also, and don't trade with your eyes closed. I am just your friendly investor and analyst in the market who likes to share things with you and draw your attention to the profitable market. I would also like to check out your perspective about the Sandbox. Hope you found today's video useful. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so you don't miss any of our other episodes. Well, till the next video drops in, hang tight and explore the market.